pack leaders, this is here. Friends are protecting families, protecting the pack. I want to give you guys the latest settings right now. We're currently shorting. We are updating our settings every hour, so I want you guys to be aware of that, okay? Because it could just switch directions at any time. So currently this is the one that's doing 5% right now. We've been shorting it since, I don't know, a couple days ago. And we kind of just switched to a higher leverage here so that we can, you know, double down on this. So anyways, go ahead and grab the settings, grab it as is, pause the video if you need to, okay? And then I'm gonna actually give you a long setting too that's been doing well today. And so I'll give you both, add them both, and go and see what happens, okay? So that way you can go short and long at the same time. So I think here, oh wait, I am still shorting this one. Okay, never mind. So I think we're just shorting now. Let me see if I can find one that's long. Okay, this might be okay. It did the last couple days. It has been long. It's on a very low budget right now. So try it out for yourself. This is on a 3x leverage. So and I think this is a long setting only, a bull setting. We have a ways where we're setting it so that we're always capturing the big pumps and dumps and everything in between, and also be able to follow and, you know, at higher leverages. So go ahead and grab the setting as is for long and see what works for you guys. Minimum price change to sell is 0.03, and just remember I am updating this every hour, so I don't know how long it's going to be working, but at least you have both settings. Use it immediately, and it might work for a few days before it starts to not work anymore. So anyways, you want to get access to the tuner to stay up to date on all your settings. It's in the link below in the description of this video, and talk to you then. Hopefully it's helped you with your bot trading. Thanks.